Yes, turn on your cameras, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Everyone turn on your cameras. Aditya, why didn't you turn on your camera? See, the people who are not turning on their cameras, simply they'll just go out of the class. That's it. I'll not allow them back again. See, I had to restart the meeting again. It is very difficult actually. Please try to understand when I'm asking you guys to do something, please follow that.
Sir, I sent the photos, you got it?
Okay, Akshit. Yes, I got it, Shreya. Very good. Many of you have done it actually. Bhargav will explain this. Bhargav, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Tell me which this question. How did you solve the question? Second one. I mean, first one.
Sir, first one, sir.
That
Okay.
AB 3.6. Yeah.
Sir, first construct the base, sir. Base is BC 3.6. Let's assume. And then AB plus AC, let's draw it. I mean, let's draw angle B is equal to 60 degree and extend, the upper ray of angle B
Okay.
to, BD, which is equal to AB plus AC, 5.6 centimeter.
Which one? Which
And
one?
then-
Yeah. Which one? 5.6 centimeters.
Yes, sir. Let's say BD.
Okay. BD you took.
And then join CD.
Okay. How did you join CD? From which point you joined? How did you know that we have to make? How did you know that how we have to make a point D there itself? From arc.
Oh.
Yeah. You can't take simply, right? You can't join simply. You can.
Oh, sir. Question. Okay. Question number 1. Okay, sir. First, make the base BC 3.6 centimeter. Oh wait. What the heck?
Okay.
And then AB plus AC 4.8 centimeter.
How
which
did
is
you make
equal to BD?
AB plus AC is equal to what?
4.8 centimeter. And angle B.
No, AB plus look at this. AB plus AC has given fine. AB plus AC has given fine. And how did you join? How did you make the point D there? That's what my question.
Wait. Sir, question number 1, I did a mistake in that, sir. Can you ask other people, sir? I'll correct it once.
Okay, no problem. You just correct that. I'll just come to you later.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is Aditi. I've sent you the pictures in the WhatsApp.
See, he has given, I have drawn an arc with a 4.8. Harini, you told correct only. Harini.
Yes, sir.
See, whatever the, I took this one, I just took 4.8 length, okay, for drawing this.
Yes, sir. The point.
Yeah. So if you draw with the 4.8, after that, I'm just joining these two actually. This one and this one. I got a point here, right? With this one, I'm joining this.
So sir, I'm unable to see the screen.
Okay.
Sir.
1 second. Look at this. With the 4.8 length, I have drawn this arc. Which arc?
Yes.
This arc. From where? From B. From B, I have drawn this arc with the 4.8. Okay?
Yes.
Now, I got a reference point here, right? I'm joining this one and this one now.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now, what I have to do? I have to construct a triangle ABC. I have to construct triangle ABC. I got base, I got one side, I have to get one more this side like this. Okay? I have to draw triangle ABC, right? I just took this point as A here. Then how did you get this point as A? I have to draw perpendicular bisector of this DC actually. How should I draw the perpendicular bisector of DC? Look at it here. Let's say this is my D and C. I'm taking more than half radius here. I'm taking more than half, drawing an arc here and drawing an arc here. From this point, drawing an arc here and drawing an arc here. Joining these two like this. Clear? If you don't understand, let me explain you again. Look at this here. I'm drawing perpendicular bisector of DC. Okay. Look at this. I took more. Everyone look at the screen. Everyone look at the screen. I took more than half radius. Let's say this is 3.6, right? More than half means what? 1.8. I'm taking 2 centimeter. Okay. All right. Not this. Look at this here. Let's say that more than half means you take more than half. You take this much radius. This is half, right? You take more than half. I'm taking this much radius. Okay. I'm with the reference of D. I'm drawing an arc here, and with the same reference, I'm drawing an arc here. Again, from the C point, I'm just joining this one. From the C point, I'm joining this one again, like this. Okay. Now, if I join these two, so this is how I joined here. Look at this. So I got a point here. This is my triangle ABC. Look at this, the shaded one. Okay. Clear? Shall we go for the next one?
Sir, can you show question number 3?
Just a minute. 1 second. Yeah. Question number 2 is here. Similarly, you draw question number 2.
No, sir, I want question number.
Question number 3. I asked you to take at a time, right? Look at this.
No, sir, I'm telling you to solve, sir. I'm not able to understand, sir.
We'll go with, look at this. Any doubts in the question number 2? Any doubts in the question number 2, guys? Similarly, look at this. Draw first BC here. BC, which is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. I just drawn 45 degrees here. This is my 90, right? This is my 90. This is my 45. Okay. In 90, 40, this is my 45 degrees. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, people. This is my 45 degrees. I have drawn like this.
Yes, sir.
So I took this. Oh, wait a minute. I took this as some K. Okay. Now, this is my 45 degrees, right? So I'm drawing an arc. I'm drawing an arc with a 5.6 from this, like this. Okay. From this B, I'm drawing an arc with a 5.6 radius. Okay. Now I am joining. I'm just considering this as D here. I'm joining DC like this. Okay. And after that, I'm just drawing a perpendicular bisector of DC here. Okay, perpendicular bisector. If I take so, it will be joining like this. Okay, whatever the length more than half you take. So from this point here, from this point again here. So join these two now. Okay, so this is my what? Wherever it cuts, actually, it is going to be so. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, now if I join this I got this point as A here. Join these two. This is my triangle ABC. Okay. Any doubts?
So I have doubt in the second one actually. I have took more than. Can you see, sir?
Yes, tell me.
So here I have 1 second.
I can't see the picture clearly. Just a minute. One second. Yeah. Show it clearly. 1 second. Yeah, I can see that. Tell me what happened. Draw
Sir,
a
actually,
slight curve. Don't draw the big circles there.
sir, yes, sir. Here I have taken more than half, sir, and here I took the arc from point C and point D1, sir. But
No,
coming
both.
to
See. What the mistake you are doing here is, this is DC, right? Let's say that is the length you have. Let's say this is the length, right? From this
yes,
D, you have first you draw this side, Okay, you understand?
yes,
Try to imagine here what I'm trying to say here. Look at this. Look at this here. Hello. From D, I'm drawing an arc here and one more arc here. Okay? With the
yes, sir.
more than half radius. From the point C, this C, right? With the same
Yes.
length. Don't change anything. With the same length, join this arc. And what is the point of intersection you got here? Just mix kar do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
1 second.
Excuse me, sir.
All right, any doubts?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain last one, sir? I'm not getting.
Okay. How many have you done with third one? Make it fast.
Someone done.
Okay, then last one. Shall we go for the last one?
No,
Yes,
sir. Question number 3 as well.
Huh?
Question number 3, I'm not getting, sir.
Why? What is the problem?
I don't know, sir.
Look at this here. The base, I took it as BC, which is 3.4 given. Okay. Angle B, I'm taking 45 like this. 45 degrees. Okay. Next, I'm drawing an arc with 1.5. I'm drawing an arc with 1.5, which intersects somewhere here from this point. Okay. So I can join these 2 points now. Let me consider this point as D as like as the previous one. So I'm joining these two now. Okay. Yes or no?
Sir, you have taken 1.5.
Yeah, to draw that arc. Okay, so I'm just drawing now perpendicular bisector of, this is my C, right? Perpendicular bisector of DC. How can I draw the perpendicular bisector of DC? Take more than half radius draw both side and arcs, join those point of intersection so that you would get a line. So that's how your image is going to be.
So can you tell again the bisector?
This is, I'm just drawing the perpendicular bisector of DC beta here. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Perpendicular bisector मैंने कैसे कैसे बताया था आपको ड्रा करने के लिए. देखो, this is D, this is C. ठीक है? ठीक है? Let's say that this is 4. I'm just giving an example. You have to draw in this question. Actually, I'm just telling an example. How can we draw the perpendicular bisector? ठीक है? So taking more than half length, which is like, I'm taking 2.5 somewhere. वो जो gap होता है ना, the gap between that needle and pencil should be like 2.5 somewhere or 3. ठीक है? So I'm just drawing an arc from this point like this. Okay. And one more arc and here from this C point, drawing like this. इसको join कर दो बस. Isn't it very simple, no?
Yes, sir.
Similar, इसको DC पे करना है. ठीक है? DC पे. With this point you draw here. So you must make what here? Triangle ABC को construct करना है. मगर you must construct triangle ABC here. I got B and C here. I must get A. Somewhere you would get here. ठीक है? So just try to just.
So we can simply measure DC, right?
Yeah. You can measure it. Simply measure it. और थोड़ा common sense भाई. देखो, take more than half. ये तो half हो गया. थोड़ा इससे ज़्यादा ले लो बस. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Harini, I don't think it's possible to have a quiz right now. So we'll have in the next session for sure. I have been telling that next session. But from Monday we'll have it, definitely. So this Sunday, your test is going to be on. Hope it is clear. Guys, hope you understood the last one. Last question आया समझ सबको? सबको आया समझ?
Sir, but I am not able to
Yes, sir.
construct perpendicular in question number 3, sir.
That is what I have explained right now, right?
Yes, sir, I understood, but I'm not able to do. I'm not able to draw perpendicular.
You're not able to draw
Perpendicular.
perpendicular. देखो इधर से take more than half बेटा. इधर एक arc, इधर एक arc डाल दिया मैंने. ठीक है? From the same point you draw one more arc here, one more arc here. इसको join कर दो बस. If you join those, I'm getting at A point here. बस इसके बाद दोनों को join कर दो. ये हो गया मेरा triangle ABC.
Sir,
Getting my point?
point D, we have to take more than half.
हाँ.
And then we have to draw.
सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए.
And
मेरी बात
which-
from मेरी बात सुनिए please. From D, I have drawn this arc. ठीक है? And इधर भी एक arc लिया मैंने. ठीक है? Both sides you have to take one more arc. Don't draw blindly यार. देखो from D, I'm taking an arc here with more than half.
Then
Whatever the length you have taken,
yes.
whatever the length you have taken from D, make sure that you are maintaining the same length to draw the opposite side. ठीक है? हाँ.
Sir,
With the
from which point we have to draw other arc?
सेम पॉइंट से, वही तो बता रहा हूँ मैंने. सेम पॉइंट से ही ड्रा करना है. फ्रॉम डी ओनली यू हैव टू ड्रा. इधर एक आर्क डी से, एक इधर एक आर्क डी से, इधर एक आर्क, दोनों आर्क डी से ही डालना है. ठीक है?
Sir, only D we have to, don't use B point and C point.
मेरी बात सुनिए बेटा. मैंने like I have told multiple times, not only one time. You are asking again same the question. Look at this here. From D, listen to me properly. From
Sir,
D,
your screen is not shared, sir.
my issue is not. 1 second. Look at this here. From D, देखो इधर D है ना मेरा. This is D. From D, I have to take more than half. ठीक है? I have drawn an arc here. समझा? With the same reference point. From D only मुझे opposite side पे डालना है ऐसा. आया समझ? हाँ. Now with the same length, without any changes, from C, make sure that you are just cutting this arc here ऐसा. And with the same length, इसको भी cut करो ऐसा. मुझे देखो अभी क्या मिला है मुझे. I got some point of intersection here and here also. दोनों को join कर दो ऐसा. ये हो गया मेरा perpendicular bisector. आया समझ? Which exactly divide from the middle. देखो. ठीक है? So guys, I have next class right now. So let's wind up now. आपको जो भी doubt है, please try solving at home. Still, if you have still any doubts, we'll discuss in the next session. ठीक है? All right.
I have to send you these questions.
Fine. You send it to me. I'll check it later. Not now. Have class. See. Follow the terms and conditions. Follow the terms and conditions. So if I remove you from the meeting, you can't join me back. For joining again, I have to wind up the meeting. I have to restart the meeting. Then only I can admit you. So hope it is clear. So if I'm asked you to turn on, you must turn on. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.